This 2024 Winnebago Forza 38W is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, Slideout, leveling jacks, smoke detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, TV, Skylight, microwave, LP detector, awning, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Forza 38W is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.